Today's medical-centric topic is best post-workout foods for recovery. What to eat after exercise. After you finish a workout, your body goes into repair mode, rebuilding muscle tissue and refueling energy stores. What you eat after exercise can directly impact how quickly and effectively you recover. The ideal post-workout meal or snack provides the right balance of protein, carbohydrates, and essential nutrients to help you bounce back and prepare for your next workout. Here's a breakdown of why post-workout nutrition matters and some of the best foods to eat after exercise. Why post-workout nutrition matters. During exercise, your muscles deplete their glycogen stores and sustain small amounts of damage, especially after strength training. Eating the right foods post-workout helps replenish glycogen to restore energy, provide protein to repair and build muscle, reduce muscle soreness and inflammation for faster recovery. The best time to refuel is within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout, when your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients. Best post-workout foods. 1. Eggs and whole grain toast. Eggs offer complete protein with all essential amino acids, while whole grain toast provides complex carbs to replenish glycogen and fiber for sustained energy. 2. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and calcium. Pair it with berries for antioxidants and natural sugars that speed up recovery and help fight inflammation. 3. Grilled chicken and quinoa. Lean chicken breast delivers quality protein for muscle repair, and quinoa adds complex carbs, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium and iron. 4. Protein smoothie with fruit and spinach. A smoothie is convenient and customizable. Blend protein powder or Greek yogurt with banana, berries, and a handful of spinach for a nutrient-dense recovery drink. 5. Salmon with sweet potato. Salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and muscle soreness, plus protein. Sweet potato gives complex carbs and important nutrients like potassium and vitamin C. 6. Nut butter and banana on whole grain bread. This simple option combines healthy fats, protein, and carbohydrates, a perfect balance for recovery and easy to prepare. 7. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is high in casein, a slow-digesting protein that supports muscle repair long after your meal. Pineapple offers natural sweetness, vitamin C, and bromelain, which may help reduce muscle soreness. Don't forget hydration. Rehydrating after exercise is just as important as refueling. Water works well for most workouts, but after long or intense sessions, consider adding electrolytes to replace lost minerals like sodium and potassium.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.